Ngazonjisa uchilantukira ntu.
So aridobore.
Ani diti mamuna.
Aridobore.
Aridobore sir kwapan. Itakunita.
Nasa iwana. Ini wena nkuita zula zori nsisa.
Atazikunisa ne.
Okay, sure.
Anamtu onisesa wena fu.
Atin.
Okay. Hi guys, welcome to the Black Couch Diaries, episode 21. Yeah, so now you mean.
Ndikaili ngeko 12.
Oh, now you're gonna
aninga Jane yalo.
Ndanya kwamba zore ko gidimedza Mudagasi.
Oh yeah, so we're going to be really fast.
Not really fast.
But normal times 2 ila ya voice note ya WhatsApp.
Samoro weni kote yona 0.5.
Yeah.
Exactly. So yeah, so we're coming to you live from the Blueprint Studios in this vanity. Bet out the one.
No start street.
Vidini. Ti raro si aramba last year. So anyways. Just in case na studio songo fonga data songa ini. Rine roto babudi watu wamraro. So namsi mnet ko bone into yet okay ndike wona zintrezo. So we're probably sponsored by ND Wellness Studio. Ndipetwa femi na massage.
Aba.
Not we are sponsored. Tomorrow we are coming live at you from. He doesn't
go to sponsor ga mini ndizo massage. I'm trying to understand.
Nyongo massage.
Yeah.
Haine. Nina massage wani.
Iyo halunji.
Ndaka na ayani.
Ayani dokuba zilakane. Zoro ni chimbira mara.
Niko dia usakani basi.
Usezo. Foot massage. No, no massage.
Ndi massage yabe.
Na yani but you know massage you don't look like you've been to.
No one massage.
Ngachigwena.
Dangerous.
Cute.
And abemala matombo pisa. Pisa.
National or to a steam room. Rajina wenda fuza vitu kupisa atkwara kupira kuti steam ya.
Rofuna rana jacuzzi yange petu. Peto the ngaswambe. Aba
So rina sponsor wanga imeni?
Nga ND.
Where is it?
Tando and
So what sponsor ngami?
Location Driveline Auto Parts Center opposite Tando Town Hall. Wait, opposite Town Hall no mana petu.
Yes, there's a new building. Una building and so like there's a lot going on there.
Oh yeah, so first floor office number 3. Wait, is it fine to say office number capital massager? Can do the room at least.
Shefana office. It's the office in ngore. Nyongonore next door have on the funeral parlor. So it's just always like
okay. So you can get them on Instagram at ND Wellness Studio and then contact them on 083462 nenda ndo make straight randu best ndikupedza ndoto beso ila zinto zikumbalela cause awone ngwindira
mara ni ambele pound hawo
ndizine ndandikuita chokwata
ngaroko nitsera wafa
kufuna pala kudiwa
mtu na bam yakonda
kufuna pala kodorwa mabam so nanishikadiri contact them on 0834629206 or info@ndwellnessstudio.coza. It's sexy.coza.
Yeah.
Not .co.za.
It's okay.
Mutangandika para.
And then .co.za anyways.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, Maria do it email. So wavula Monday to Thursday 9 to 6 nimi.
Yeah, anyways, it's fine.
And then Friday to Saturday wavulanga 9 wavulanga 7, then Sunday wavula after church just go there from 10 to 5. Then when it is hotel all the details in there ngodziamba ndozibona focus screen.
No, have you ever been there?
Vendor.
I really hope they play music when they do it.
Music if ila yazimvula nyana.
Yeah, because like ndithoya ndo ndio I will not take any sieve. You get what I'm saying? It's part that takes the rank. So I'm sure I hope they really have like
comes one pela vitu to rusi tento not the soundproof.
I hope so. That's why nakubuso no yana but I'll try that.
Nyawo yitani.
O massage wa da we do.
Ninga massage note.
Vari ndinga mara.
Hai.
Ndinga ndotena. Indono yandi ndote.
Ndinga borea.
Ni vani ko borea mingo ni vanoza fast.
No, if not za fast. Obe kula kutaura fano nti. Ndiongo
no ni vano comes not za fast yojena kubuli.
Yojena kubuli. Muno muweko ngomba na mtaranga tsinisa muboni.
Ni venza kutuyamba pala utokutiyoba hopumula.
Nah, not all the time.
Ngomwe kuita
zoto. Kuita TikTok. Yani amthemba. Acha dukaidza ati anodo. Rotorwa. Nindi aroma. Ngewala ichi. Nindi aroma. So yeah, how are you?
Good, thanks. Not bad. Compared to last week, I'm okay.
Unofuriwa makwanda.
Makwanda menya day.
Oh guys, namsirina mpo mra camera okwata ine mara atu right. Ordinary ya. Uwafoko bero munisa mic.
Ono for adulting asinne.
Okwata ntu ot. Mkona chodzura pasi ange achibona kubona tho. And then there's Fistos from the first episode. Chacho duma Fistos iti.
Hey,
Chacho duma ila shwinga.
treasure iyo. Ndicho nechotoma. Ndicho nesponsor khulwane.
Chifi trial run. Ndicho ne free trial. Haringoita na chere ngele episode. Oti otovuya.
Ausina mabone. Ngana ngachishutwa kuti to.
Autodovona zori vathu kushumisana. Nyawo chitwa futi. Ndikofunga no there correction so.
We investor.
Dude.
Wambeze ulazvina
achabuya. Riko tena 1 year namusi. Okay, riko shita namusi but then the day yako era.
Like the blackout
turns 1.
That's beautiful. Congratulations. Is it ngananzi 2?
It's 1.
Ooh, that's nice. So Fistos oshitwanga tsiwani?
Hayi.
Odorpanga tsiwani?
Ati rambura launch chitu chinamba chaya shuma.
Oh, the balena I launch. Oh, okay.
Now, although it wasn't officially like it launch officially reach 10K. So
okay. And they were very close, eh?
Yeah, very. So hey,
because there's a video where you waited 799.
Somebody answers your question though.
No, it's funny.
And
now
it's funny how none of in there, not to none in there.
No, you're doing it and then going to say.
That's a library. But it's changing. Comes for the response. Yeah, so yeah, not in there. Like, okay, it's funny how Ngamanditi. Yeah, 7.93. No, 7.91. Meaning there's like 90 people left or 8,000. And then my mom is like, hey, 90. So yes, I can't say that. And I know I'm gonna push this thing. And I'm also okay. We're also gonna drop because every time we drop a video, the subscribers are on your mood. So I'm like, okay, let's push it yeka 15 yana. And then all that although that may be na ku20 kwawe. Kutitir dokwana nga trailer ya shia Friday. Hey, Wednesday, like 2 days after, me and Gombe lost. Okay, like 8,000. I'm like, what?
That's nice. But the Ungo for Bangabon Rabela.
Yanga. I was contabella.
That's nice. Don't even read it. I was like, hey, when I saw that happen, I was like, hey, I was serious. I'm dedicated. Standing on business.
Those famous coffee they can those correct. That's gonna subscribe 998.
Kanava muwe. Ndizibona ngeInstagram yanga. Ndazonedzanga dzivugonya dzichitsa.
Unamu mtiti.
No to no unfollow. Ndiba nonitani beyo. And we number yo, I'm unfollowing you.
Ndotaka the Fistos. Itindi kwa nuka dolo kwa one.
Yeah, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, mara guys, we don't unfollow some kuma.
Yeah, mara.
Ndiba nonitani.
No, yes.
Okay, mara I don't know what I'm saying because nandi unfollow about so.
If unfollow, maybe there's something in chakunkunga. Na nisi chazita. Then you got to unfollow.
No, tina suzenda chitenda lichi.
Zina epeka muzi anicha posta niko penya. Anicha posta ni first day.
No, niko penya mozi.
Zino ndo posta za maruba. Samburu majita kuita una mutu zwino. Arto Rebecca yuno.
Posta maruba lotsi.
You post flowers each and every time, dude.
No, maranda bantu ngwalo proudly sponsored like partners. Ndi bantu to disedi wanga zi brand.
Do you think when I'm out to talk about the caption Instagram? No, kumano about the caption Instagram.
Mara nendi porisi. Batu wachiona una muna that's when they wanna come. Isn't that true? Isn't that how it is? Nah, people want to come to you and you have a partner. When you're single, nobody wants you.
Not just a partner. It's on the flip side. Wachibona una msazi ndio ni wachida. Zitwanga wewe.
Na musi nichibona una muna that's when you guys want to come. Trust me, take it from me.
Okay. Yarabone demedana.
Nido zibarira nta.
No, tinga barira. I just want to see but when wanga. No, ni asibarira nta. Trust me. Swabukuma. Ngapha ndiko domekani.
Ndali sisana show namtha.
No. Oh, na mtu.
It could run like
Andi jeni nemunye tunanloka phone.
Nisongovula.
Oh, tinga jeni kaba na rotation. Okay, wathoma team Devi. No, wamngana. Awuna not serious.
Niso wadi bintu bisana serious.
Amara ndi.
And awunori jena ka profile zawo.
Ndibo mid page.
Really?
Ndibazi.
Mara ndichini pa phone matho bone bo vatukana vararu. So what makes you think uri ndibazana?
Mtukana ngombe uti.
Ibyo?
Zizi zabona. Aziko
manga. Oya zimnara. Oya waphulu.
Ngonya ngatirombona.
Ye but
choose ndinyo profile irna waphulu. Ndisibedza yo. Rido igwafta.
Ayo ndere okay.
Tindolibona dzinapo. So ngikuti kusonda sechori pool mini.
A pool mini.
Yeah, so straight.
As you wish.
So guys, by the time we're recording this thing, we're not reach 8,015 subscribers.
15. That's beautiful.
Hey, ndibeka kuti ndikhulwane.
That's a good milestone, Shem.
That's great.
Roshimesa.
Rosara ku 1 point something ra 10K ra hostelwa ligigi livulwane badi Charlotte.
Stores. Oh eh, angeni.
Ifiri kwa Charlotte.
Oh, nice.
Mabrasini.
Ro yari kuita balcony mix.
Chera promiswa last year.
Ndizo ma April zi.
April. Mara they celebrate anga June kati.
Ngoringa May ubuna party yangi.
Uripunguze vathu nga phepho. Tazotirana Jesse. Zantu zamazina.
Zamazina neswe.
Andi vana vatogigini vamara kukipa ngori auna Jesse.
Zvino mara arona
chicho. Fabiana.
Mwana arona ya Fabiana onsense ya vara kamadzina ilichenita. Already una vatu petu lezvarwa vatu tidika Jesse. Nendo zviwana zvikipa Robert.
Kama zone.
Zvavo dzi Burberry dzi what Jesse yadhura mamura.
Namutodanga bela bomb.
Ningasiye groove nadziwana dzini na Jesse Louis Vuitton.
Exactly. So
vatu vagidimira top zvezvi Jesse.
Hey, nishikamba ngazo Jesse. What's your take ka fake clothes? Don't go say your name.
Did I take it? I don't know what you're reach.
Like, okay, here's the thing, because some people will say, "Kimara neti minazo, man." Mara unaleta never. Ndikota bango ndichabudi. Neti nandabo rebrand ndimi. Mara mtu una wardrobe ropanga Nike. Ina yote oirenga ungofetu. Advani mzaro no neti gidimezi brand. I'm just buying because it's traditional Nike and I mean. Achinga yawana chimwe chitu cha.
Mara rasa gidimezi brand wako renga Nike ngori Nike ndi brand.
Chinenda kwamba because that's what people say. But no, I'm not really after brands, but then as long as
show me the fake it till you make it, or if I like it but I can't afford it and the una cheaper, I'm gonna buy it. I've heard someone say that.
Have you ever worn anything fake?
No.
Hey, any blind is it?
That's why I don't have much.
What do you mean?
That's when it's not zinji. Fake
ndarenga. Ndambara Crocs is a fake.
As Crocs ngora zingolo fi Crocs. Khareza zingolo fi Crocs na wenzirenga Crocs. That's what makes it fake. So I don't want to fi Crocs. Yeah, he's them hems. Hims and hems. In bulk. Buy 1 for 2. Buy 2 for 1. So anyway, I can take it for you guys because I'm one of the Crocs comes like a spelling. Problem in the zile iba ina ikumara isi na ikana Gucci isa kuti
wa Galaxy zezi.
Indo no guys was Galaxy ndombora.
Tina maratiri kuti macho correct ari pa. Ngaro give that thing.
Galaxy ina nayo phi ina fake. Manje una china fake ufina smeg ione. For real. Ni ditamira uchela. Anoyita mathanga na filled by yon. So
filled bandela kula box yanti.
Hey, I'm just glad they let trend yon pira.
What's the fuss around that thing? So wait, what do you mean trend yon pira? You
you're very busy in December. It's over.
Mara cause now I'll never do no vesta that much. So ringa say.
Zopira and the chances zori idobe uyenga December zilo but ne diva trend uri chimbiza.
South Africa pa no.
South Africa awuvusuri zwichi.
Apana visa fimini makhuwa fimini ya Dar es Salaam na salu promoter loto yo chai.
Ti
koda makhuwa.
Then love tan. We manduwa. Any what's your take?
Kaza mbra fake. Anendiambara mama na fake.
Nina minja fake.
Problem ndikuti mara rombola.
Mzoto dalisa ngendira. Nzikumzanga she as fake.
Oh, okay, yeah, it's fake.
No, ani mini korenga brand in
ndina chimwe chiruku cha Adidas kichi. Chokubulwa nokubulwa. Twana chana molo. Bezvino majini.
Nako una chikovuta.
No, not chikovuta. Ndi avoid ambara majini because I'm pisa.
Mr. Price.
And then
Nzongana ranga shoti Mr. Price. Not of runyaga ya Adidas.
So ndikuti renga shoti Mr. Price ndikunyaga sweatpants yantu ni chana malo. Not nyaga sweatpants. Then prefer the sweatpants because like the lose nyana at least ni wani free kango.
So why ni chitebela za China mall specifically?
Tingo do itebela ma. Ndori ndikupira ndaibona yona kanda ijia.
Nichiko jena na muna bona na shoti ya Adidas.
Ndori renga neyo.
Nikomba sweatpants ndopanga no short. Ndori renga shoti ya Adidas. Sweatpants za Adidas.
Then ndera no chambara lingodo. Ndi achambara bad.
Ndikandiza tuchijama.
Ndishuma bad ngacho.
Marala mama teki yanu ndi yabukumala.
Tirengiteke ya fake.
Hala phuma nini chabvula ntwa ya street.
Temateki ngene vya street ndichitanda.
Shimbo ngoro no arenga price yakuma makes sense.
Mateki izvino afika ya. Wait, mateki Instagram one ni
Instagram ipi? Una shelf life ka Instagram. So if you order
shelf life in a shop obviously you know. Una la when they're just
Mara okay, ini nichikorenga kama muthu nikorimi. So they would like. Niwani kufunga ri Nike yope no raringze ini.
What if
What if
akwasosa umwe phethu?
Akwasosa guy. ngori ndi Nike ingari chu uisa Nike mall of Africa ya
Because
petanga
yes what I assume
pusha
ti uri muthu upfuri
emta asi zwithu zwo ḓora khupeni zwithu ndi matheki ari nga si
zwo
pe
ḓora
vhathu
khupeni zwino zwa wese
no zwithu zwo ḓora ndi ḓovha ndo ṅwala
Avon.
dzina langa
Okay.
asi vhodzi Avon zwine hafhiwa muthu apfi u gidimisa ndi tape away these are sneakers Nike inga siri tanga kho ya nga mphushelo fhira mall of Africa does it
nazo
make
zwine
sense
ndo zwone vhathu vha robia gai
uh-huh.
if nari like Air Force mbili kids nga 1.6 ndi fake ti mara jan the same Air Force hedzo mbili niswikeni ri 3.5 ndi apo ni ado 4 ndi akuma
and then I just go roya more
and in the aim jamboro ndo ita mini ndo gonyisa price yaso zwa fake
which makes
Vano
sense
varwa.
ni vano varwa nani ndina mumwe mwana ane ndiyamdiva ane uva kurengisa nga price dza dzine na wana iko yelana na ya Nike store
and you would assume uri ndi
ya dzi
akuma
Jordan ni to assume in as like uri ndi akuma in what way that's what
angasi charge this more if fake
why angasi ni charge that more
cause people will assume uri
I
mateke
guess.
rono normalize uri taking 500 la fake
ne just
ene ngasi ambara enzo chimango gidima
emda zvimana zvo zva iPhone ine na pfuri ngo ṱoḓa irenga kha muthu ti and I'm like why what makes you think I store kana ba Apple vonanga muthu uri ave distributor like ini ni kupfura odzi wana guy ndi ndiyo tshimana umbula zwezwo
I still the distributor also so vanga the December 9
hai banga sinipe ini as a person but you ringisa kids za 50 zvonoitia guy uchigoitia mimi
this is the 50 una dzirisela ine red vatu vano risela mama
it's okay mara ne mungwana wanga mu obya ringa ingoti iPhone 6 plus riv tef tef nende chikochidishomisa iPhone ila thuku wona mdzana phone yawe hey button yaisa shum so phone yawe yaisa ika silent ajo tokungudza volume and my camera was better than hers and hers was a 6 plus so I'm just saying uri na ini ndio for there's something up because ndikasienda irenga kama muthu like something chihone you just don't know what it is zwingo sto sabona lesi mara something is definitely wrong
ife chinena ngana kondelo bana fake yacho
don't know yanda zama budzi ampisesa so I can't
mabudzi anaso zori ndifika na ndiya kuma review
nichiajenisa madini naneliwa nichiaga
na ini ndon kuita nimvula ni mabudzi
no mara ndiyo atajenisa madini atiyotamba nazvino ndichisvika nditiyotanzva kele just nje because ni vanoshera zvitu so ni uri ni uyere ni yambare futi uzviti yobve zvina you get what I'm saying ndiyotula zvino ndo burn ukadla na vya toka kana because adova kunuka so you need to wash your hair
zvino zvasara pakadzikana dza watu kana wo mapfura kana wo chika
dzonto kame mutu oitwa mimi uri kwa kana na
no zvisu zvaso zvere zvorari
kubo zvosara zvotisana
akamuzokwana utina kumepe nyana pano notanga na Shoprite uko badira tilini ina mendo zo handi mavudzi
andi bikola wene munelo asizwa mavudzi ubodo juluka yete kaye zikati aunori zvisvike ure zvatonokadza how come
no ndikamba inorari so no dodza fin
mara zvingasimukadze chiki
nasikana edera nyana nisakoita ndo kana
already nacho chiba chiko oma yeah ndichi spray chiba chi white man ndato chikodo oma chaba zvasichavonala
hey
ini ngazama mini chavika unonozama buruku
ningazama dore ndi awu mic bevo camera ningazama ara yo pe
rishute ripedzeri wari audio isiyo niri karibuye machero nga imwe cherede ndile cheidinera kudobuya ngayo tirashinga vari engedza raranga mic
tizo ningazama chine ndingasizama
problem yeneyo nga fake
chine ndingasizama ndi phone na mateki mateki ndi hana
tapula Gucci tapula
nicheke music video uri
okay tapula Gucci kutap kwa Gucci korojena vatu
there's the thing ti yeah also there's that unela so zvine taenda zviyambana nyikana uri so mizi for some reason if I arenga something cha fake ti cha Gucci you wouldn't even know because it probably is like 99.9% yasuzva original so the one adana ku bucket takes the rank to document this rank akudoba you won't even judge it so mara you know all the time remember skipa zva plain zva Antony zva pick and pay clothing and then next moment nkomba ndambara skipa cha
mara na podcast
cha Gucci ha mara still mamwana
okay nikupfuri ngori yotomanga minini ngori nditotomanga chikipa ngori aningatominga jacket ya dhura renkorenga Gucci so ini nditotomanga sandal karisogori zila za 7.5
mara would someone think uri my priority ndo wana chikipa cha Gucci than
priority has fun it's just like the conversation we had the other day yori ninga tomanga guri kana tomanga nduna it was fun
mara I don't think I would prioritize
unawezana vanokufanga ndara mara vana makeup kit yote havana nendo nopfura foundation kaidzuri nditore ndire McDonald's so
ndivapiwa vavenda vanokufanga
I have no idea
Ndomze nangu tuma soft.
Atiko ba soft ndo badhibi. What you mean?
Wapfoko ba soft.
Okay, how am I supposed to know rinyana mini fridge ni? Ndiya jina fridge nza
bathu.
bathu.
Okay, no makeup artist za ven.
Ndikwamba makeup artist. Tingori makeup artist ndori. Una munzala ale also. Nakomra ba. Okay. Let me make an example ngani umuze.
This is 10k. Ni kwamba ngopezi.
Right, ndikuyo ngita example ngani munde. Ne, karali ndawa ndishoponi ndozalwa nga 110. Foundation ishikuita 110.
Wait, 110. Is 110 randa. Niyatangiza ranga hiyo.
Umkanoko tambo.
Ini umene nchikuloni mfana.
Umkanoko tambo. Ndiba ndina njifuti hapo ndibanisakopano chaya.
Sorry mara. Guys, komera go.
Ngapedza nichikoro ti. You know, let me tell you.
Komera go fund me ya wapo.
Let me tell you ti. Nena ndichinga ine ndicho chikoro ndadacheleda. I used to be very fine. You know, ndikadiba chikoro ndachida like what for I don't know me that is on makwani. I used to have money. No, that's when I used to come to my aunt's place the whole time. I was always here. I used to attend was the Cotton Fest. I was everywhere. I could do anything.
Oh yeah, I remember.
Zarando tumuto direngera ndichishkoloni. Pedzani hela gap yam sino pedzati. Namsini ko damshumo kana no shuma height or something. Tell me, you tell me.
Funa not my podcast nichkoloni.
Yeah, ndiya the story hot ya kana ndoto musave khabo B, you know, cuz like you get what I'm saying.
Not that I chiwe at the party every Sunday.
Every Sunday richinga bamwe bana rina dzindo.
Renga benzi.
Renga dzimini. Ko posto wa Gregorita.
Akadiapa.
You know, so I'm just saying, we could have done this a long time ago. So inini nayo ndiko ndifeza that nani ndanachelede tanga when I was still at school. I had so much money.
Tobere nene azichama chitori cho ndanachelede.
Nendo ndinayo. No, I don't want to lie. Nendo ndinayo mtha.
Yeah, so bathu ba aka offerwa 7 as you speak now.
Uzukufisa 7 mumwe akho ita nimwe kuita.
One ndandongwana just zone pass. So there's like
ngo yafodiwa.
I just mbapho ndiyadisakana. So aka killers arrested 7 by the time of the shoot. So wabona spotter your Tom ati yakho check ubva airport. So ungana ungaba kuya ku check omthu akomtebela mrawo. So this
so oniswani oyo muthu
tamburi tia bathu bofariwa samuri azokuthi mu trick off apo maybe CCTV or umuvoro ka CCTV aka danga guy achikwa CCTV za robotori maybe all the thing ba umana yosika bachishika airport. I'm just assuming and then the second spotter ndiwe aba udra restaurant apo
ngangomu
apo eke aba one. And then there was also a coordinator and then mu plan ino mtu hayara unonzvino uri azvinori kudhirisana havana facilitator or suppliers guide
zvitopona madzina
hapendi company.
Oh really? The blackout iso
yeah mpochorale chi
facilitate
mpochinga chinga
coordinate shooter ambo akazigidi makasiyana kuti ampangasi atazongwepirela bad
chikachara chigidi
radaro wani wachitecho chifara
achikatikoka
nemara nanena zatunja kurela bad ndazopira
venetetemeraave
nena zadaifuka nekamzita adodzwa restaurant
nenda do shoot
mara ndadorira
azatutunjiwa shoota wita mimi
ndadorira azatutunjiwa bamwana ingwe ya minodzwa.
And then also there was like and then there were 2 shooters tizoro wefarona msi ndiwa mini
ini mani pfuri ndizvone wani wabone.
That's the thing nandi kuti mudzi
anani hoto owaniwa bathu boiti basa zvizila zvaya senzo uri ubiwe kava bukuma
yasenze tomali 2011 nga 2014
dude as 14
so 10 years ezvino decade yoteri kunyagantu
for tuzoite unduni kasi une
na bathu bane
una bathu bane bo basedza bababona bana bathu ndi bathu voni like okay ezvila ndi zvimwepo mara with AK it's different because we
actually
didn't really
something
see
ngatuita kofi ndine nga 2035 ndodzwa ndokala ndikobona ukuskofi aseno bule AK ukadi try like at their pan of an end. I'm like
it's very possible yeah
because not kusuku celebrate bo wanala mara ukudate I mean machero okay Thursday una trial yeah about 6
ndikofunga riko those got drag us senzo. I'm not wishing like, bad on it. I'm just saying I
feel like that's what everyone knows
because
I really hope
they
prove me wrong uratori havari nyirisa shangolo teli into riri ibe final abantu bafarira
inga diba final abasibona are boto dupfi ba banke ndibona.
Who do you think did it?
I don't know.
Uyakati wena kusuko suspect wena mina.
Ndinyi nanyi vano kususpect. Give me 3, I'll choose one.
Aranto ndibela swa Twitter.
Oh, then if you don't remember what I need to
No, here's the thing. See, kati tako itant. People are still angry uri. AK oya pharano kula kwana mean because all of a sudden, not all of a sudden, like from the get go, ila zote zuko pinwa no la mwana okay over la mwana mean from pusha so now go feed those that family is in need of revenge KKA of which watu wambora akubudziwa.
Ini do you believe omupusha?
Azo pusha wo
because
yes,
remember ona case yaba akuzama dibulaya before so osumbidziwa video anyway she was trying to jump rini.
Yeah.
So in a case where I've tried to kill myself before, ndichibo dibulaya ubiri, would you think somebody else did it?
No. Even if namsi mtu anibulaya ubiri so kufunga ndini
ngori nonozama
and noitanga ndrena ita zwa Thomas arobala
and also like niba nobulaya wani kunyo dibulaya so it's like
yeah like free pass.
You get what I'm saying? And now, like, as Chibi child, because when you get there, like, my nigga, he did it, I didn't do it.
But also,
because you're gonna go to heaven because somebody else did it.
Just got God, nenda kuita.
You get what I'm saying? You get my.
So I don't know skana mna.
Inotanya. Now I know why ni chijira kecho
shikoro. Abadunga baita ntru. Wafariwa ngozufindi.
Niba no dibulaya. Bafariwa. Bafariwa chitumbu.
Family anya bero badira ntru the bail na means amburi yani bulungiwe.
I think so. Mara ndibona ngari kamzi ibe izatoduresa uri nikono ipanda. Cause one thing about Rufuti
aranga visa bazo chibuisa chitumbu. Abenga zone chitumbu sukela.
Mara I think price itu yoba one. I wanted to say one thing about funerals is no matter how broke you are, because first when you kugungula aniti, irandilo veni and look at the funeral I'm gonna get. Money is always there when someone passes on. Whether there's insurance or not, people always chip in. Mutu all over because everybody wants to show love when you're gone.
Nyaka tombulani.
Ne.
Liala nyoda jenanga ntaka na matungo. Ngazamrao. Unadzamrao nadzanga
dzangamrao bokuita zvila zvine hatu yodaseriswa mutu futi ukododa nyika
no not as ini munhu ingo
I don't care as long as I go down
mudanga tunga butini
it doesn't really matter
amara zva ani kunyanga nenditoserisiwa ngapasi
zvitokunoita
tinga ujena nganta
ndokono utawenyo uya pala pale chira watu
and ulenga rini ngori abe wachipedza kuwera mavu etantu veve mafungo kubvisa ula kutombo buchena zvazopera
uri veve ninga una kuti vana kadibelieve richira kodiri kuti maradi gurura
anita zodeita mini
ningabva ni machaka ndiri nikumbura mini mara zvo that's spiritual it's not but also natina ndava uri nditsitsiswa hani ari vatu vakufura kunyoka
no like I'm just asking uri ningatakera bokisi volipi not bokisi tombo uri
tombo la simple
because nela party ner dosar kolwa na vahanuri wafuru kunyaga heli
neti nekabvisiwa line vatu vakulia afford and now not even an expensive one
myanga uya vari vatopangwa cheka sei iyo fimi Instagram rako vari kufonga mina round vakufonga izvi ndikuzvija light man abeni mwajo save it
nezvine ndadzondikorwa nazvo nezvine ndadzondikorwa nazvo namyanga ti
vakwata kutota vanya abikwa 80 kg utari vapangi
uri kana roshuri kama bucket vatunge nto
yes
it's faster you get it my mom ridzori kulwa ndikuvavudzori I don't understand the whole concept ya vatu mutoro vanga Sunday uboko liwo swikera Friday I don't get that thing like why but vasadzuri mayani kan okay biwe nikodolilisa rine mara nitiyolera rine zviliwa I don't get it so ndikubudza myangori okay why vasaritoita the sandwich ari zvikutokonda chote not uruvena kudza vege yote rikobikira vatu vanakodolilisa rine bolovelo ndi rine
ashudolwa keke zvinanga rufu mufana
obhaka nyingo vatu vasiyo
mukadzi wangu wabhaka
nane
mlini
ini nakaradzi chituku chila chikabhaka keke
chochina
manjaiva nechikazibhake keke
nani ndiyabhaka mara
dude come on
namtu chabhaka
utusa udeliver keke azobhaka keke
nditobhaka shem trust me
mukona wabhaka keke uyu nane pa
pari dani kubhaka ngami una muchini mamuna ari baking stofu
zvishumiswa
bekara yeserious mamuna
nice
myanga voinvesta vachitotowa ndikovhura bekara
ivhuleni zvinhu
ridorera muchini ti
inoindira muchini wamyamo
wadhura yasukone yes and then also speaking of Shwazi Twitter ability I saw this other girl ufinyi Ntandokazi did you see she's trending now or apparently no I took a thing yaon chinya kuskwamba so a month ago a Nigerian man were appreciating this woman Mamzi for waking up in the morning to cook food for her husband to eat at work. This week, South African men are appreciating this woman Ntandokazi for her humility, soft and calm demeanor. Hey, what was cool, man. Guess who is attacking these women, fellow women, throwing all kinds of insults from trolling their looks and even digging up things from their past. Their past ya wana ofendola ane ofenyi Edwin Sodi omofara 2 million to sleep with her ahana.
Okay.
Allegedly, hey guy camera allegedly. Ati a mistake up. Mutaka pesa 2 million orara na mtu nedo nyitani. And then, these women trended for wrong reasons like nudity, sex tapes, vulgar, divorce, etc. They would be defending and even praising them. The truth is, bad women can't stand to see good women exhibiting feminine qualities and being appreciated by men. Learn or perish. So like Omzana poster video, I think that's what she does actually. Ka social media ya weti. Wako post all the takara na mtrawe. So recently I think poster yangu kuita na mtrawe. Wako biko meshi. Zina zirama nyana so zawa. Yeah, uposta boyfriend yao. So but wana uposta
wa munna.
Oh zino na uposta zezo like TBC.
So but vafumakazi vako mukorera for that.
Mukorera is the wrong word. Mara for lack of a better word, let's use that one. Wako mukorera uri ukoita zvisho. So ne point yangini yakwa ndori vafumakazi ti they're all supportive and all that. Zvindo nozvipaona ka social media until nikoita to zvine they like uplift your feminine qualities. Like I'm to it zvaona mutwawe they're happy and all that. Mara if wako trend or there's a 6 tip ya when I mean rine rava rokamba zvinhu zvako ndiri mudefend zvino ndivona nokomudrega. I'm like okay, so this is how ladies are any
I guess okay nendaza the mudrega personally,
yeah,
but I guess it comes from
Thanks.
how whatever. What I'm saying is a lot of people are so like broken to a point in you see like the Dr. Musa Mtombeni and the wife.
Exactly.
People always
people
think
like
wako pretender. And love still exists. There are people that are still genuinely happy. Like awako pretend.
Are you in love?
Evan.
I'm just asking like
no, I don't know. Let's not. This is not about me.
It's a podcast, man. Be free.
I'm okay.
It's
not a safe space.
Oh, safe
It's not a
space.
safe
Sorry.
space.
But they
It's
cut.
not.
Mara video they were poopy.
Okay, this is what I'm saying.
Yeah.
But I think that we are broken to a point in a pretend that we are doing too much. But you are investing a lot. Do you
Oh, I
understand?
think that's the
And
thing.
we still need to cook, guys, whether we like it or not.
And even if you go zira nine, nara anu kego mbikere. Even dollar mean.
Namsinsa zurina actually thought you big area.
Ingori na ini nto yola still.
Namsinisa kwa dollar niko big area. What the one you know la not yola.
Ino no soft. Jana hey ndio ni soft ndakupa. Use ya so yorisha mafunga serious. Hey ya bana
Men must eat, guys. Like hezo. Okay.
But then
Ariam mwana si Ariam.
Sasa 3.
Nendi bono. Yeah, I do.
Yeah, so yeah.
And what I'm saying is Lotakareza level 3.
Remember the call? Oh, okay.
Ini chindati nipuzilonga 3.
Well, ngopa fisto zilonga 3.
Ndita mwana muti yolela ka 3.
Rene mapola rachi pwa chandani mamungana.
Zvinoda kuti za 3 za 4 za apula.
No, 20 na mapola 4 na
Vona chidari kuti yoshuta fast. Woino nikuda adzura vari kuhamba. Ngizvona. Mara what I'm saying is okay, for example, nena ndichisvika already rapid kwa mdini. Chitu chotuma chienda toyobutsiwa ndipfongari ndori do you want anything to drink, do you want anything to eat? So I feel like it's just manners. Yeah. So okay, mutu achisvika as a girl, what is the first thing you want to say? Niwaya watuma ngoidani. Arenisa kudomubuzuri. Okay, if you eat and what do you want to have? Do you understand? If no bigger, then you dish up. If it's something small, you can even make a sandwich or whatever. But I'm just saying, if you're not going to feed him, if you're not going to serve him, what do you want to do? Unless I but I'm just saying.
No. Oh, no.
Like that is just like I don't know. Personally,
I wonder no celebrate sort of okay now somehow. But then if say Dr. Musa Mtombeni na Lizel they were to break up now, don't you think
a lot of people
would celebrate?
Bangas to comment about the celebration. Did you see the video I reposted yesterday? It's some podcast almost zana oya akwamba una tattoo ya boyfriend yawe.
Oh apaka mtana.
Izila ndizone zvineti na ushto femini. Izila zviya chuisa because ni vani na tattoo yawe apa ya kopeni apa na vana dzina lawe. Uri obe ya kopeni yawe apa ngamatungo abe ya like the universe. It means he's my universe. Ongwana dzina la mother in law yawe apa na ushto vikezo kaka idziula. do you get what I'm saying? Hapo boy ari kutomudrag ari kutomukaidza
mara ati
pakujena guy mukeguru
ringasinvest ofana
yes invest that's obsession that's not being in love there's obsession unofuna muntu uno obsessed sazvezvo funa roma 20 that's obsession
zvindisani wani ndi kudeta mini
you don't snitch come on
fistozoitani kani ampofu nenyora 20
ndikotoziza
mbodya musical tipedzi abva kaini ndoribuza
unazafara ndono machero but I'm just saying it's just love.
So cards comment are not even comment actually because you number about trend because it's number 2 on trending. Mom tada poster this picture. Abakori and behind this is Ntandokazi behind the kittens to Edwin Sodi after disguising herself as a saint to men on X. I bet it's called X.
I know, but then is she disguising herself, guys? What if let's say now over ono ita whatever she did na Edwin. Let's say she had done it, ne? Mara, does that mean she can't now be changed? Not even changed. With Edwin kana broke but the school fees and whatever, and she did whatever she did in her past, and then now she's a good girlfriend, she's doing everything a girlfriend must do, she's too good looking.
Maybe Nikada comes Edwin so I'm just assuming
I guess I don't know, but I still feel like everyone has a right to change and do whatever they want to be.
Edwin so the other kind are 2 million. What are you doing? Nikoswifa
iwe ngomkumbulela wainombutsara ngiyongkumbulela ndori hayi ini wena ngori okay ini Edwin other because what do you mean, dude? Like what are you saying? Ndori hayi
okay ofa kawambe mutari ngangomhamo niambe ngoyano
ndotuma ndamangari nganda. What's your point, bro?
I'm just saying no 2 billion k.
Okay ini mapurisa other
mapurisa ndo fistozi
ndingopengera mungano wanga
eduzoditi ndi mtu wa munna and ini mfumakazi what that k 2 million
no mapurisa ndi wa munna kaya ndi mfumakazi ni zvembo ini ngaita ndo allegedly ndingayana tu mita
ndingahana kama mapurisa
okay kwa mfumakazi
ndingahana tini ndina mtu
ndingori mita
ndofenjera na mutu ti
ndozvemba
unless you're correct
I don't want to talk about it atingori tina kana ndinaye
amara 2 million I choose
ini hadabala msadzi vondo ba adulting ba view ba 2 million ngaije
apyo
vana mfumakadzi va ka adulting ba view
hana
ngopindura mtasi munna
no ndandika the present mudzo ya nuri ba ndakadomlori ba adulting ndi vafio mtu vaone ti so I'm like ndi vafio then ndabarela za okay ndingatitend ndingatsijie simple as that
ningaije kanyi
ne auna why
okay so aningasitendo ba blessing mara ningatendo ba ice boy karitsokorebo mashal urari badaba ndikonipa 2 million navanikoskontevera ngamrao
ai uzotevera mrao wadompa imweti
ndiyo nikoba nazo ice boy dzita mini ndiyo nichibakhuza mpa vaita chitu ndiyo
kama uzemizo hata kuwepo wadzule simple ndikazoita 2 million wapa udokhuza munna ari ndisina chimwe chinda kuita
navo nichichimuna kamukona udzula kapanda inodzula kamrao kuleni ya
it's not like ndikuita anthu mamuna it's not like ngochimuna petrol yanga ngochimuna navo
mukona mara harumwe inorenga ice mukona fikasari
even ndina mukona ndingasizviita
harikombanga zvino hoti inopindurira zvino
must ndingazviita 8 million dala ende nazo zviita minina cheka
harimorenga ice edasara
ke zvine zvodoitea atina ndava mukona dokwana yawe side tinodoziva kwakhamba nenge panda
self-esteem nichibvapo abe you're not the same man. Okay, let's talk about this on a serious note. You do understand that nichibvapo you're not the same man, right?
It depends.
It fucks up your self-esteem, confidence, ego, and the way you savannah, that's all you have. Abibi you have nothing else. Abibi you with looks ne you guys are not there, but you guys are not as good looking. You guys don't have it. So all you have is your confidence. What no I need to blind change.
Simple
chanyi
chamwana mwana ngana unofana naye
ati farisuza exizanga
anena akonitoda zvi
obviously ukontoda zvemboti mufuni waindikotiyo vananda vana look dzavo kerena kumtoda ndana nomutenda
mara like yeah ndikweni face of self esteem
come in okay are you charity outside would you be anyone's ice boy so you're saying you would do it
not for 40 minutes usanenda kuita ndosokudzura ini anti ndandivenda riko rather than doing amalavu
Ice boys are
so ndiko diwana amalavu at least because
Ice boys are venda the worst yo.
Do you think
No, it annoys me, bro. Like I can't
okay,
personally I can't respect you.
I think ice boy Mara is close to Bomachala na mina me. Do you think
una position ulo washuma, so I don't think he's a ice boy.
What's his position?
As manager or whatever, because I see him in a news cafe, he works there. So asuri unen as if rukuna banda, so like nabona Bomachala nabona bags.
Most of the time need to do under Bomachala ndisibone bags man ngabona bags
ndisibona
Bomachala
ne kambe
anori neti chimbiri ti
inini ipetu kambe iningano nwabona luviri, that's why
Bomachala achikuitani ngamuravo Bomachala
chimbiri kamsina nwabona ugigini huna zvivaidhera zvone gigini mara navavona vavothe kana navavona uvasiyo. He's got his drivers and whatever. Mara, ini so you would do it for money. So you're willing to give away your ego, your confidence as a man for money.
Udobe ego yachirede zvino. Oh. Nisina chede notowisa ego ready nayo. Nimuzipyo mzano do niseza nisina chirede. Na inorana singaite podcast na neranda ndi chimwe chitukana navo. Cha venda chini. Imuzana zokufunga asta chikonchansere. Zvino ndini recommend kenga podcast ndiri yanishuta navo zvino.
Endo bizoka mwanzo nchambudzo.
Wani songoyi.
No,
ego.
Like, no, it's not about that.
No, it's okay. No, no,
send.
Oh, send me kim rapper. Start a vent. And would shoot you.
Commenter. I think all I'm doing, I don't know about shoot and then all shoot how has been paint. So
I was never orange.
Farmers.
Oh, sorry. I thought it was public knowledge because everyone saw the pictures.
When you upload.
I'm just uploader. That was bad. That was gold.
I was just like, I was taking my
I go for the golden stekel. Orange carpet.
No, that's bad. Urubari needs to work more on the
I've spoken to him. You guys should have seen it or orange. So
orange.
That's original way.
The mumbro ngo busy ledu. Also got the photographer. Ni munga ngashimzani.
Mpoko.
Mpodo ba on Good Friday. Is he coming back? Mpono ba busy ngandire ni.
Ana mtazi busy. Ndo ruguna chirede aita ready chazote right. One.
Dazama bufigwa na bonyi. So what I'm saying is a commenter like ndo vona ilantu oview chaza zvondo rimini because I really wanted to see what the podcast is about.
If you in podcast yeah.
Ati divi mamuna mara ndidoenda isedza una sende ndivararo. Havana mumwe mtu kana naye oje Ntandokazi. I remember him.
Oh Tando you bigger the podcaster jam.
Oh indistru zvayo ti iyo bayirwa ngamadhokodheya.
Kawa dokode vazana pezi.
Vangana. Vararuvana in the class AH mana watu wasika 50 apa madhokodheya mararo ari vangori gai ari kusikuvuwa chidari chivada bada pakalabra.
I see on the podcast.
Ndidondodera yone dzina. So I'm with Ria, you should come. And then he even posted a screenshot of that on his WhatsApp. I was like, ish. And nikos mana mara zvino atkoma ngati.
Auna meaning kuri ish.
No. He shouldn't have posted that because now it feels like I'm gonna come because he's putting it out there. Toka zvina nikomba kuti bango zviita. Ngaila joke. Ngokono mwana.
Amaran cause of jambanzo this period.
Hey, you get what I'm saying? Like if you and I talk and then you put a screenshot there. I'm gonna visa.
Mara durbango don't home. Mara repanda.
Mufuto never, I get it. But nendi zvinenda.
Opposite ini nkoribula ndidoda.
Tingori ndidoda. Then ndo comment andari what I think ndobutsa dzina kandi ndobusori ko dropa because I wanted to see what's going on. And then ngafasi a commentary iko dropa you should come on the next episode. See? I ndikandove ya sticker, you know me. Achedo zondoita me mara atingori ndikouda. I post that screenshot. So I was just like, now it's like weird. It's really weird. Mara ndidoenda ibona. It's not bad. Speaking of ego, ndandichingaya mara atingo fisoro kwa mangami. Tingo duzo nenda ndi kusukanda mangami.
Naibona na ifedzana unena ngakona mbo.
Tingo ndotomona matumu. So I was like, oh okay.
Mara you should watch it all, man. Like it comes
to
never nitakaza zvima gumoni.
I guess.
Open chance, man.
Choya. Ndayabeba kudovidza ini after.
Oi, neni kuita.
Ndikuzvona ini waingwana.
Hai ne neti nawo ka WhatsApp. Ti host zi sip and paint ne.
Atikovidzirwa sip and paint.
Mara tiba kuita ntu. Vakonibizira votangana na ini ntu. Vakonibizira mini.
I'm sure vakombizira black out. Vangasimbidze sip and paint yendo noita ruchi.
Hey. Udo outdoor yampo mpo they represent
wampodo yeah ne
chifhinga right but re soft.
okay no
Yeah.
let's move, let's leave the ice boy whatever thing. Hey,
Yeah, so what does you have? What do you want to talk about in?
oh not
How do you nibuzisa? Wani kuti motetemera? Nimbo dichuo zvinochita ntuti?
ndivaro ndiwanisa kuprepare chete
Inofana ndi prepare. Ndovhara na ntubona. Oh,
oh I saw a video ndo hangwa ndandodhimusana vamwe munhu na Instagram
unyabona zina rindobusa tanga ndi.
vamadebvu keva vamuvenda vafinyi ukuvadhiveni ro uchadhiva zira lavo keva
Roxley Masebe. What ugo say?
vavadhiva vapfivonyi vala vashanduka vamadebvu
Vashanduka.
mushavi he made a video ne vachikwambori can we please not vava kuri hezvori ni mari muthu nisatu vana chitenzi or have your own house like it's very wrong achikwamba nori namsi richida munyanya yaveri vari kunishonera because of the things that are there like niwane vatu usikuita munyanya kamsi holoni niwane zvidiwa kusa kusvika the decor is not good and all those things avakwambori if you can't afford it tanuya nesaine and not get married ini what do you think? Have you ever been to a wedding and you look at it and you're like vavachingadhiva kutosaina vasirivudze and then just do their things privately?
Oh, angufinde midzini. Oh, like
but you've been there.
Yeah,
Unaenda zonzo hapo ukopushiwa. Niwane okay, yeah, tumanda which is the party.
Oh, so the thing is and I agree maybe. Do I say partially? I feel like fully nazvevambati. Okay, no, ndiko anezwa uri tamani vena chitenzi na mini nimepate na mudhi niko no mara ti because unless vakambo mara ya wedding not ya uri like get a wife na me because I would argue uri unela point ne ndazumburana neti uri say no right so ngopata na mini get sorted na mara na muthu and then you guys have like a different taste ti mara maybe there could be a chance ne ninga reach a common ground na for nishito tinera chifuna rine so romana so ndikwambanga inofata ndo kurukuru na wanansa mtu anacheta kare and then if nano mara ni ayani amazimini ya guy now ti no mara ni ayani and then nazona plan okay this is what I want us to do na mina tendera then nakonobvana to hela pandeni atitend at least okay ivana chitenzi yakamusi mara not mood because ya dina zoko kwasha antwana ndo njizo kwasha midini uchibanwa watu
tutuzvona
nani tutuzvona ndikotobusawo
bara
so but then ezori zvamunyanya na mini like nani ati faces like why
I don't get it. Why is it? Because also neni la concept yori niwane ukuitwa koleke la mudhini ukokolekiwa uri okay nyinyi uko chata ukuthi yobviswa dzi 1000 kana ukuthi yobviswa dzi 300 I don't get it. Yeah, families do that. I don't get it. Ndipori ne are muthu ako chata akazini yanga kana mini let me volunteer. I'm like ndikomlo renga dzi cold drink if I can afford it. Komlo renga mini but now if you want to get married and the whole wedding is in your head but not in your bank account not emba mini like what is it exactly?
I feel like
what's the whole fuss?
Abatenori udova na chipinga chaona
niwane una problem uira
yambo udova na chipinga chine ndova na chedi probably can even if nisivana chedi romangaza ndova na chedi ngakoneta something intimate na vizawe watu vatsini because now the problem mostly uba wabala watu vane vanya kubidzana watu vanji futi ngono la mnyanya 1 2 ola hey makoti anifaka makeup no fucking
makeup
like alati ando watu ndibavenda
eishi bavenda they're disappointed
like they were trying by all means na mimi ngozo after I wanna cheat
and we're not talking about a fancy wedding ne
75 rand dan kwana sign on my face and then when you guys are settled then you
mara
can do something.
Mara nezo number zvanduti unless you know uri ninayo chedi yandu nikotopori naipata nisatu vana musadzi zveti asifune ti then already who's choosing anina plan yoipata it's very wrong ujia mwana wa vatu namuveyana miyano because reality aitendi uri nivena vafumakazi vaviri mudhini like we're just gonna argue that is why navadzidzana vachibhayiro vadzi flatmate you can't have 2 women in the same house it's just not gonna work
majini ningobikira ntuvinyi kotsi ya mutu wanu
ngananenezvo it's simple things tanga ndiutori ndikuti the carpet ichiva apa avala vakuda ichiva apa lani it's just so it doesn't really work out
navanhu navangastand vakotsani vanye kuona mafungo iri nyavona channel o problem ngikeyo so hey guys mavona yatsimari neroya avangavena imwe ntu
avangavena goodbye like 2
atotsimari kutsima narini angasikombechedzo mara guys go get married na vatu vaneni 4 years zvave zvidova right nsongokomechedza I feel like mostly it is zvinoitwa ngori
zvino ava vane vana dzindu mara vakunyagomara ritovatisana
akunyagomara so una mndu they are settled
Oi, ringena mi.
Fistosi udomala achifuna
uri kudomala achifuna
anyagomara Fistosi no Fistosi wamba nane mamuna kwanza mina ngori nimsidzana nemambudza mapungo wa Fistosi
ukoriregerera ukorenga
ini
netinondo
ini ngobali na mwana
umbega imngana likhetwa flateni ula mwana ini ningagonya na mwana wachibumba pala unenera dzirone ningamtakula mwana ubva pala pasi uyenta na baby what na zvibege ningamfishika naye ini samunna mwana umuntu kumwana mu aisle kuti yotuma chibuna ndenda ndichibumba ndichimutoko ino no people no sekena damn bro
namposa
oh no zvetonga craving izila dzamiyano adzi wrong
okay
ngasila tongo lifani pregnant
muchenje ndicheva zamuni yakamba zitu so chapaka baby so guys
okay uru do chata next year
angori next year
nokundengisa
okay randi ambe comes in ndakasonga kuti if you realize ndikozumbura uri murito ti ine zimaches uita zvawo zvine is all over the place is one pastor ne untu out there you can tell uri mufunza unokuita mini auna zvotodzima ndiro fanga zvipiriri vafunza norawana tanga navo kuita mini because ndikuona video yavo achikepe ukambiwa zvako then I'm like actually
arawo kamwamya mketo noona alo bakuunobewa
I'm assuming ndiharwa I'm still glad uri haopiwela mtu ita zvawo wanisumbedza not ndikuzvikondema
mara achishikekerekeni pe unonojena naye
tell us ndona chitu ti
ndutenderana nacho ndulwa nacho tonga una limwe ifileta ntu condone
yeah not ndikuzvikondona ti muzva ndikofunezwe mungori kari panga subtitles za chivenda ka into H&M yemungana
lalikodanna ku dictionary ligwena inokupa uti maifela kana kuzvita chitenda
mabe chikwanti fashion ndio jia if you toma na magumo na bukati then you know what it's saying simple as that
lalikodi
ala dozi so like then kada bezombrito or I feel like that guy ti unafunza njima na kuita zvitu maybe risa zviboni I'm just assuming nazvo atikori ndono babona
so nibononga ila video botol kaijiwe
not real nani munhu wadijia ti okambiwa namsizi live ka TikTok
really?
wadito live akomburu hangu nambudzingana ngana
ubaze kuprofita pala vitu ubaze yoka
okambiwa na mina
zvoro kamboni vanozvona ubo akusumbedza na that's what I'm saying nichiri hazvidzumbi ndikwamburi does it go online and drink or uye abeni halwa buni rumela ka live nanne nambona
live ndori ukambiwa
aya nichiri hazvidzumbi
like no one kuzo this guy is drunk nazvina akuita that's dance never kuita
wewe ni welcome to any
repost on antu repost on account ya TikTok sometimes
kufana ukambiwa that's the problem that's the issue
mari why ndichidodo ana post aka
and ara nichitopedza ubunwa ti bunisa ka live buri yani itsaida bukuri mu texteni kana mufoneleni waingoti chano ya
nimuite ndifumini rider ano
no I have so much alcohol in the house
oh okay jamburi ndorengisa alcohol na renga zviplate zvinana ku store
ndinadzo ndonodziwana norenga
so it's fine so guys anything start of vala
No, I don't think we have. Okay, we don't have anything else coming up.
What? Oh, guys, event? Also, I mean,
I was thinking what
event.
Yeah, Ronnie, cancel.
And then yeah, no sipen pain to fear job again, daddy.
Yeah, ndo papindura. Ndo babudzori idova musi ya venda, you know, the builder, you know, was strong enough. I can't start ngeno. So yeah, push any vendor, guys. Come to the vendor one. Let it be big enough to come to Joburg. Simple. Charity begins at home. So yeah, event ya reno ya cancel wa watu Wills and Smoke. Sorry. My bad. And I'm gonna just what's up.
You know which control us. You have also come you that to.
No, man, I don't know why you cancel. You don't postpone or you don't cancel you.
Of postponed.
No, I was willing to go, eh? When is it? Where was it? Saturday.
Okay. Did you want to trauma?
Apart from the hike.
You don't tell me about an until postpone. I was like, oh damn, they don't have enough wheels.
Murachia komenda ka joke dzine ndava ndo poster dza udzi wheelchair left. Uchi right bad.
Ine poster joke dza uchi zamwe nyangaida ndita dza wheelchair.
No, can't to Instagram na zvino mshone. Unengwena ndo poster bro yori when the teacher says if you are not gay stand up and then guys in the wheelchair crying.
Come on, though. Bye guys. So and even a shout out I want to give a big shout out to Fistos.
Oh, okay.
Because I feel like there's remember there's mchimbuza zori why no bizwa ngeni kunyago uita kunyago ba charger wo Fistos people chita minsa ba charge then I thought to no man That's what are you guys doing together? Ti?
ende athi ngori bofisa sinza vachaji ndori
havala vangenza vachaji cause
ndori
like
va snap sunday
okay nori snap sunday tiko chicharge ati and then the other team ndo icharge and I was like hala to that can when they needed help nne ava tundo yakhawa ndichikadito thoma when I had no one I was like
watching yeah
cause ndaba na fiso I think December like mna ndinya thoma something yabona abe fiso ndi mtu mulwana asele akadwa sele aza to fat one can akazi fifitos
a celeb
akadwa celeb ndamba na mtu wawo thoma awe
ana manager zvinoona jena nne
zvinokum basadzi vako manager ti
and then
no yachi manager ngamsadzi
uyu at least ukumanager
and then yeah manager unconnected na Fistos and then Ramba Fistos was game I was like okay nice not going to prepare
not true
no not really true okay ningo to shela it's a normal thing go shoot for the very first time
you don't know how it's going to turn out
yeah and then we're like okay Rame sapa it I mean of which we did but the manga zori reach 10k and then
peno ndio do but
the story chopero ka 10k so push people and then Ramba tender the shoot and then January I'm like go shoot February okay bye guys